Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix repost option is not showing on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, firstly let me show you here. So you can see here it's showing in my TikTok. If this option is not showing in your phone, then what you have to do is just simply go to Play Store, then search for TikTok, and make sure that you have an updated version of TikTok. If you don't have, then it's showing here update, then you have to update your TikTok and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to go to apps. Here it is, and search here for TikTok again, permissions, and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. If you don't, then you have to do then storage and cache, then clear cache, clear storage, then force stop the app, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply again open TikTok, and let me tell you that you have to make a request to TikTok team that this option is not showing in your TikTok app. So just simply tap on profile, 3 lines, setting up for IC, and tap on report a problem. You have to tap on suggestions, then tap on no, then need more help, and here you have to write something. I have already copied and given in the description as well, and then you have to tap on report, and report will be sent to TikTok team and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.